Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely, and I am leaving church right now. They're not exactly dismissed, but I'm sneaking out a little bit early. I wanted to invite you to She Buys It Live in November 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. We're going to be having the classroom time. And then November 10th, we're going to be here out in Coreyton, Tennessee at my little country church, New Hope Baptist Church. And we're going to be singing songs, we're going to be worshiping, we're going to be praying, we're going to be crying. I usually cry at every service. I don't know. I'm just emotional these days. But anyway, I want to let you know that if you're coming to She Buys It Live, it's no pressure, but if you would like to stay, I would love for you to stay and come to church with me on Sunday, November the 10th. It'll be a great service. It'll be full of women. There's going to be 118 women at She Buys It Live. Last year, Sheila and Wayne came to church with me on Sunday. This year, I would love to have 12 of you come to church with me on Sunday, just because it's the cherry on top to a beautiful week of Proverbs 31 women coming together to learn and grow and fellowship together, and then to finish it off at a church service is just, it's awesome. But, you know, we have the event throughout the week so that you can leave on Saturday. You can make it back home to your church on Sunday, or you're welcome to stay and go to church with me. I'm happy to have you, and maybe we'll go up to Mama's for lunch, just like Sundays are supposed to be. So go to SheBuysItLive.com, get your ticket to She Buys It Live, and plan on staying through Sunday. I'm happy to host you at my little country church out in Coreyton after She Buys It Live. And if you're in Knoxville, just come on any Sunday. Come on over. New Hope Baptist Church in Coreyton, Tennessee. I hope to see you there. Bye, ladies.